Get back inside. We're not going to the dog park.
Oh, no, 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 no.
New challenge: purposely drop your dog's leash and see their reaction.
There goes the crackhead that I see each morning.
Bailey, you want a treat?
You better not go to sleep. As soon as your eyes shut, I'm gonna punch you square in the face.
I hope you stay still when you sleep, because I'm putting a rat trap between your legs.
I'll take a pillowcase, fill it full of bars of soap, and beat the shit out of you.
I want you out of my fucking house.
No way, Kimosabe.
I yelled help and acted like I fell to see what my dogs will do. This is the result. Wait for the ending. He found a way.
Okay.
I can't wait to go to the... Oh shit, bitch! God damn it! Oh, did you see what happened? We gotta be careful. Oh shit! John, let me get on your back.
And see if your dog or cat can sit as still as Bentley can.
Wee. Dun dun Wee. Dun dun Wee. Dun dun Wee.
You sit. He's a baby. He's a baby. He's a baby brother. Are you gonna show your buddy?
New trend: walk backwards towards your dog. See how your dog reacts.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
wrong.
Oh yeah, that's my fluffy toy. I know you didn't just throw. Did you just throw my fluffy toy, man? Oh, so that's what we doing? We throwing other people's stuff? Okay, well catch this. It ain't funny when I throw stuff you.
My dog forgot how to dog.
Say cool. Man, look at that.
Like this.
Oh, yeah. We're gonna eat this head.
So we're watching the Super Bowl, and I hear these two just crying, and then I notice my dog has eyebrows.
When you thought the naughty puppy phase would disappear. Or not.
Hey man, you wanna make a TikTok? You wanna make a TikTok with me, bro? TikTok. Tiki. You, me. TikTok.